Guys, welcome to NS Lectures YouTube channel. In this video I am going to explain what is XML schema, that is XHD, XML schema definition, and also I am going to explain what are the difference between DTD and XHD, that is difference between document type definition and XML schema definition. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Let's start our video. Topic is XML schema. XML schema is also known as XML schema definition. See, this XML schema is used to describe and validate structure and contents of XML data. See, this XML schema is used to describe and validate the structure and content of XML data. Structure and content of XML data. This is definition of XML schema. See, XML schema is a method of expressing constants about the XML document. See, this XML schema is same like XML DTD, that is data type definition, but this XML schema provide more control to XML structures. See the syntax: XS schema space XML NS implies XML schema is equal to, we have to write here content. This is syntax of XML schema. XS schema XML namespace implies XS. Inside this we have to write content. This is syntax of XML schema. See, this XML schema supports data types. It is one of the major advantage of XML schema. And next one, it is very easy to validate correctness of data by using XML schema. Next one is, it is used, this XML schema uses XML syntax, so no need of learning new language, because this XML schema uses XML syntax. XML editor is used to edit XML schema. To edit XML schema, we use XML editor. See, this XML schema is extensible, and this XML schema provide secure data communication. See the comparison between document type definition and XML schema definition. DTD stands for document type definition and XHD stands for XML schema definition. This DTD do not support data types and namespaces, but XHD supports data type and namespaces. See, this DTD do not define order for child element, but this XHD defines order for child element, and this DTD is not extensible, whereas this XHD is extensible. See, this is the syntax of document type definition. See, content document type element identifier and content declaration inside this. See the syntax of XHD. XS schema XML namespace gives XS, you have to paste link here. XS contains link. Similarly, we need to close this XML schema. See, you opened XML schema here, we closed here. XML namespace XML schema HTTP, you have to write your link here. This is syntax of XML schema. Friends, I have uploaded complete web technology tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there. And for more videos, please subscribe to my channel.